Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to update Acura TLX software step by step. Start by confirming your TLX model and VIN, then download the correct update to a FAT32 USB drive and ensure your car has a full battery or is running. Turn the car to accessory mode, insert the USB, navigate to System Settings, select Software Update, and follow on-screen prompts. Do not interrupt power during installation. Connect a 16 GB or smaller USB formatted to FAT32 to your computer and download the Acura update file matching your VIN. Verify the file name and extract any zip contents to the root directory so the car can detect it. Safely eject the USB, label it clearly, and keep the vehicle ignition at accessory or run during the update to prevent interruptions. If unsure, contact Acura support before proceeding. Quick recommendation: if you value comfort on long drives, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for durability and comfort. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy better socks on road trips. Now let's get back to the video. Start the car in accessory mode, keep the engine running or battery charged, and insert the USB into the dashboard. The infotainment will detect update files, accept prompts, and let the system install until it reboots and confirms completion. After reboot, verify software version in System Settings and test features like navigation and Bluetooth to confirm successful installation. If the update fails, retry with a different USB or contact a dealer for assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.